Good morning, Elena. You seem relaxed today. Did you do something fun over the weekend?
Good morning, John. Yes, I did. I spent time in my garden. I really enjoy gardening. It's one of my favorite hobbies. I like to plant flowers and herbs.
That sounds peaceful. I like to go biking on weekends. It helps me de-stress and enjoy nature. I usually go early in the morning.
Biking is a great way to stay fit and relax your mind. Do you go with friends or ride alone?
Mostly alone, but sometimes my neighbor joins me. I also enjoy listening to music when I get back. I like to listen to classic rock. Music just makes everything better.
That's nice. I enjoy listening to soft instrumental music while gardening. It's calming. Besides gardening, I also like to read historical novels. Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading too. I like to read mystery novels and occasionally self-help books. Reading is such a good way to disconnect from screens and slow down.
Absolutely. Hobbies like reading or gardening give us time for ourselves. And in a work environment, they actually help improve focus and creativity.
That's interesting. Do you ever talk about hobbies during interviews or team meetings?
Yes, I do. During interviews, I often ask candidates about their hobbies. It tells me more about their personality and how they manage work-life balance. For example, if someone says they like to paint or write, it shows creativity. If they enjoy team sports, it often means they work well with others.
That makes a lot of sense. I never realized how hobbies could reveal soft skills. I usually just say, I enjoy photography, or I like to take pictures in nature. Does that sound natural?
Yes, that sounds great. You're using both enjoy and like to correctly. I enjoy photography is more formal, while I like to take pictures sounds more casual and natural.
Got it. So if I want to say I like cooking, I could say I enjoy cooking new recipes, right?
Exactly. And you can also say, I'm into cooking if you want to sound more relaxed or informal. It depends on who you're talking to.
That's helpful. I think I'll start adding a hobbies section when introducing myself during small talk or networking. Something like, I enjoy biking and reading in my free time.
That's a great idea. It makes your introduction more human and relatable. People connect better when they know something personal about you.
You know, once I found out a coworker also enjoys hiking, we ended up planning a weekend hike together. It was a great way to bond outside of work.
That's wonderful. Shared hobbies can strengthen teamwork and make the workplace more enjoyable. Maybe we should start a monthly hobby sharing circle or even a book club.
That would be awesome. It could be informal, just a space where team members talk about what they enjoy doing. It might even boost morale.
I'll definitely bring it up at our next staff meeting. Hobbies should be celebrated. They're more than just pastimes. They're part of who we are.
I've really enjoyed this chat, Elena. It's made me think about my hobbies in a different way.
Same here, John. Keep enjoying your biking and music. And maybe bring a photo or two next time. I'd love to see your photography.
Will do. And happy gardening to you. Have a great day, Elena.
Thanks, John. You too.